Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Kim. I'm the owner of Halcyon Dental, and we've been in practice since 2001. Mostly in the last 10 years or so, have been exclusively focused on sedation dentistry, which involves using conscious sedation, usually through an intravenous route, to relax our patients, give them amnesia of the whole experience so that we can treat a variety of different conditions, whether you're phobic, have a tremendous gag reflex, or just the complexity of the care or the perceived pain would require, or at least would really be helped by being sedated. So the prior composite I was using really was sold and marketed as one shade can do everything, which is kind of true as long as your light source is only from one angle. So really it's under real-world lighting situations and circumstances, it certainly didn't do what it was sold to do. I need the predictability, both during the procedure and after the procedure. I can't have stuff falling out or getting stained or looking funky, after you're all done. That kind of predictability directly affects my reputation. What initially drew us to Quantium was the fact that it was a Bisco product, and due to their reputation and proven track record of deep research and development, we knew it was a product that at least was worth investigating, and I'm glad I did. When you talk to the scientists at Bisco, their research and development team is very deep, and they can justify every characteristic that they're marketing. And so for them to come out with something that they can brag about, it gave me the confidence to try it out. Quantium achieves that rare balance between tactile feedback, where it's just sticky enough so you know it went where you intended it to go without any tug back. So for example, as you remove the instrument from where you just placed it, it doesn't deform the very shape that you just spent all that time making. So sculptability is just excellent. Not stiff, not soft, just somewhere right in that Goldilocks zone. So in terms of handling and sculptability, I'd say it's an A+. Having that ability to have true hue, true chroma, very accurate, and then the ability to lighten or darken that very accurately, regardless of where you are, under every lighting condition is an improvement. To be frank, there really hasn't been a situation where I haven't felt confident using Quantium. I would recommend Bisco's Quantium to my colleagues so that they could have the same positive experience that I've had so far. Predictability, reliability, just excellent handling, polishability. In every regard, it's just been a very predictable and reliable product to work with. This is a product line and a company that you can rest assured that you use the very best available for your patients and sleep well at night. So I would wholeheartedly recommend not just Quantium, but the entire Bisco line to any clinician that wants that peace of mind and the ultimate in reputation management.